Hello and welcome. This is a hydraulic engineering tutorial experiment to measure the difference of pressure between the 2 points of a pipeline by using an inverted U-tube. Apparatus. 1. A horizontal pipe with 2 petcocks at some distance apart. 2. An inverted U-tube with 2 rubber or plastic leads. Theory. An inverted U-tube is employed for the measurement of difference in pressure between 2 point sections of a pipeline carrying liquid, say water. The connections are made as shown in figure. 3. The upper part of inverted U-tube contains air. The water enters into the 2 limbs of the tube through the 2 sections of the pipe. The height of the water columns in the tube may be adjusted by letting the air through the valve at the top. As air, trapped in the upper part, exerts equal pressure in both the limbs, the difference of pressure is equal to the difference in the height of the 2 water columns. Procedure 1. Connect the 2 limbs of the inverted U-tube to petcock by means of 2 rubber plastic leads. 2. Set the petcocks on the on handle and allow the water to rise. 3. Adjust the supply of water in such a way that the rise of water is increased. 4. Carry out minor adjustments to the height of water by adjusting the air valve. Note the reading on each of the 2 limbs. 6. Take number of readings, say 4, by varying the discharge. Precautions. 1. Make sure that the rubber plastic leads are properly connected to petcocks. 2. While taking readings, the petcock lever should be put to off position simultaneously so that water columns do not fluctuate and thus remain steady. Don't forget